Hey everybody, Dr. Nathan and Dr. Brett here at One Life Chiropractic in Gulf Coast UltraSlim. Today's our final measurement day for Dr. Taylor's little 1 month UltraSlim and VitaminMed combo therapy to see if we could get him skinny, and we definitely got him skinny. So just a few questions, Doc. How'd everything go, man? How do you feel?
Everything went really good. I'm very pleased with the results that we achieved in 30 days. I was excited to see the final results, so that was good.
What did you lose? How many pounds did you lose?
Right at 16 pounds in 30 days, so I think I started at 221.2, and today I was 206 even, so maybe a little over 15, between 15 and 16 pounds total in 30 days. So super excited about that. And then my total number of inches was 7 7/8 total there. So that's really good. I'm excited about that. I did 5 UltraSlim treatments. I was originally going to try to squeeze in 6, but I just didn't get around to it due to time. So that was after 5 UltraSlims. But I have done one since then, so it's probably actually more closer to like 8 or 9 total inches in 34 days.
34, yeah. I'd say that's pretty good.
Yeah, not bad.
You look it too, just so you know.
Yeah.
Wonderful, man. Well, what's your plan now for afterwards? I mean, now that you got your weight down and you've lost these inches, what's your plan?
So I've always had a goal to get back to my high school weight of about 175 to 180. So the goal is to just continue making better decisions with better intentionality on eating out and working out and doing the UltraSlim and making sure that I make it a priority. And the goal is to get down to like less than 180, somewhere between 175 and 180 is my ultimate goal.
Now, we're going to follow Dr. Taylor on this too. We're going to see if we can reach ourselves to 175. We're going to do some more UltraSlims, and I'm sure he'll do another kit as well. And the patients that we do get in here, we do set up more treatments after they get to their first set. So don't think that you know when you're done you can stop. Now, feel free. I mean, we can continue to get you to where you want to be. That's our job here, and we really want you guys to get that weight that you really want, just like he wants to be at 175. So
yeah. And so the one thing that I do want to point out is I did make better choices, but I did not make 100% correct choices every single day for the last 34-ish days or something like that. I did have some bad meals. I did have some other times that I didn't exercise or didn't work out. Missed an UltraSlim in there, so I tried to get all that done. But the goal is that you can fall back on is that for 30 days, I did the best I could, and I came out with good results, and I could have done better, but I'm just going to continue for another month or two until I reach the goal that I want to reach, and then I'll be happy. So
that's awesome.
Yeah.
So if this excites you out there and you're interested in losing some weight and you want to get back to where you were or somewhere where you've never been, this is the place to do it, and we would love to go over it with you with whatever needs that you want. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to leave comments below. Like our page on Facebook, please share it, and follow us on YouTube as well. If you guys, we wish you guys a good weekend, and enjoy the football if you're watching it. And again, we look forward to getting you in this office.
yeah, thanks for following along.
Take care. Go Bucks.